Hello, my friends. Carlos here. One update before hitting the weekend is that now we're going to be able to tag our users directly from any other platform when we bring them into our Clickfunnels 2.0. Before we needed to do it through the API layer, now we can do it natively in Zapier. So let me just share my screen. So right here, I have an example workflow. And in this case, I'm just using a form, but it could be, let's say, Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Facebook Ads, or a form. You're bringing them in. And you normally are going to create first a contact, or you're going to update it into your database. So that means that somebody give you their email, and then you pass the information. And now when you add a second step, let me just delete it so you can see the whole step. You're gonna add the step. You're gonna click Clickfunnels. And when you have Clickfunnels in there 2.0, you can choose event and says apply tag. You're gonna click continue. And now you're gonna get the contact ID. Click custom. And here's a tip. You're getting the contact ID already on the previous step. All that you have to do is that you go here into step number 2, or in your case, whatever step you have, and you're gonna have an ID. That is your contact ID. You put the contact ID, and now we go into the tag ID value. So first was the contact ID. Then you're gonna go into the tag ID. And by default, you're gonna load the first 20 tags that you have on your account. All that you have to do is that you can click this load more. And in my case, I already did it. So you're gonna continue loading all your different tags. You can click refresh and you're gonna go, you see, load 20 tags, load more, 40, load more, 49. So I have 49 tags on my account. So in this case, I can just pick, let's say that's the last funnel that I was building, continue, and I go test the step. Successful. So the tag was applied, and then make sure that you publish your, now you can have your zaps tagging your contacts directly into ClickFunnels. My friends, we'll see you on our next video.